I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
I'm over here at this gorgeous new construction, checking out the kitchen. This is a Camden home, and you'll see some of those signature details. We've got nice appliances, beautiful spacious cabinetry, a wonderful center island with extra storage, and you'll notice, besides the gorgeous neutral color palette that goes with everything, you've got tile flooring in the main areas that's meant to look like those wood planks. So that adds an extra special touch. As you go into the living space that's open concept, you have taller ceilings that really give you an expansive feel and make you feel like you're in a bigger space. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of this beautiful new home.
Thank you, Britt. I love this 3-bed, 2-bath split floor plan. And some features that I like about this builder is you do get the tray ceilings in the main ensuite. You do have crown molding. And speaking of ensuite, let's check out how much space there is. So in here, you've got your dual sinks, your contiguous granite countertops throughout. Everybody's got kind of their own swing space. But as those details that I like to mention for this builder is in the shower, it has its standalone light in there for you. Don't you hate when you get in the shower and it just becomes dark because all the lights out here and then you've got your curtain? So I love that. Again, the small details are what matters. So for more information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you. You can get all the finer details about this property.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future hot deals like this one.